Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. On the Ethereum chart, we can see that the market has just been moving sideways. My idea yesterday was that the price should form one more high in wave C of 5 of C. Yeah. So yesterday in the video, we talked about that wave C technically has fulfilled all requirements, and indeed that's actually the case. We've got from the rally that started actually in our support area, we've got a wave 1, we've got a wave 2, we actually have a wave 3, we have a wave 4, and wave 5, however, because this is a diagonal, ideally would also be a 3-wave move, A, B, C. Also, when looking at Bitcoin, it makes sense to see the current pullback as wave B. Now, that means no top in place yet, or at least no confirmed top. Also, the sideways consolidation would suggest further upside. Surely there are other ways of labeling this. I mean, I thought about maybe this is the third, maybe this is the fourth, okay? That's possible as well. In this case, the support area might sit a little bit lower, but we'll have to see. I mean, at the moment, I would prefer this, just because the third wave here is long enough. Yes, the fourth wave is a bit weak, but we're holding on a very, very high level at the moment. And this support area is comparable to what I'm tracking on the Bitcoin chart. So whether this is the absolute correct micro counting or not, we will have to see. But overall, I'm still watching for higher, even though the risk is now naturally increased, given that we've moved from the support area quite substantially into resistance. The market rallied from that 16th of September low, like 14%, 15%. And we've already reached the 1.236 Fibonacci extension of the initial A wave. That is well within what a C wave should do, so it could form a top at any point. It's also in the resistance area, so this is a target area based on Fibonacci projections within this B wave rally, which could lead to another move down in wave 5, well, wave C of 5, okay, to 1800. Obviously, we need a break of upside momentum to suggest that the C wave down has started. At the moment, this is just showing us the risk that there could be a key pivot, yeah, around 2006.64 that's coming up. So I think one more high could take us to maybe 2006.24, 2006.64, 2006.94. These are the next levels. Shouldn't really go much above it in this B wave. But one more high is definitely still on the agenda here, at least as long as we're holding support, and I zoom in a bit, at 2,466. And we're just moving sideways, so it could very well, and I've already on the smallest wave degree, so I'm not labeling this any further, but this here could very well be some kind of an Elliott wave triangle. Yeah, even though they often morph into something different. So I'm not necessarily suggesting this is a triangle pattern, but it's moving sideways, and B waves can be triangles. And in this case, this could be an A wave, a B wave, a C wave, a D wave, and an E wave, which could be nearly complete. So I just leave the B wave open here because it doesn't have to be a triangle. It could easily also morph into a WXY structure in wave B, W, X, and then the Y wave is an A, B, C itself before we go up. So be prepared for that. At the moment, though, I'm still watching for higher, especially as long as we're holding that 78.6 retracement of the current fifth wave. And again, it's located at 2,466. Any break below that level will make me explore whether the third wave topped here and then the fourth wave is still unfolding. That might shift the support area down just a little bit. Yeah, and it would then mean 2,420 is next support and 2,385. But that is then already a very, very deep wave 4. And I would say already below 2,420, it's not going to hold. And the reason is that even in a diagonal, Ethereum normally when it breaks below the 50% Fib level, it fails. Okay, so that would be the next, let's say, fallback option scenario, plan B. That's the update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.